Hello friends, in this video let's see how to resolve SSH remote identification errors. Let's try to log in into a server which is having issues in logging in from remote machine. Yeah, here you see that this warning, remote host identification error. So typically this occurs when the unique fingerprint of your server does not match what was stored in your client machine. This can happen if you have created a new server with an IP address you had previously used on a different server. If you are having problems with your remote host identification, the first thing you should do is remove the old host key information from your SSH known host file from your client machine. To do this, follow these steps. Here I am removing the SSH files by navigating to the location mentioned in the error and providing the server IP address. Alright, now my known host file is updated. Let's try to log in into the server. There you go, it was successful. Alright, thank you for watching the video.